Looks like this one's going to be pushed out here or driven out next for the auction. Looks like it's a Trans Am 455. Beautiful car. So this is an elaborate dance that these people do to get the cars in and out of the buildings and over to the line for the auction. So that one down there is starting. And so this one's going to move right here. You got to get it out of here. There we go. He's got it. There that one goes out the door. We're going to follow it out. We're going to take this to the front staging lane. There we go. So this is the staging lane for going into the auction, the final really part under this tent. And they're lined up here in the order that they need to be for the auction. So it's an elaborate dance again to get this right and to get the right cars in the right order. These people are really lucky to get to drive these great cars. Here's that Thunderbird we showed you earlier. Very nice. You get to drive a good one. Fantastic. This is the one we saw come out. And then these guys here, they take their cues. They open the door, the car goes in, gets wiped down, gets prepped, and then goes across the auction block. I'm Mike Sanders, being Shine. Your name?
Austin Pope, Rex.
And so what do you guys do here for the auction?
We clean up all the cars, we come out on one flyer, get everything set up, and come out here the week of and clean everything up and make sure it's nice and work off the block.
That must be a lot of work.
Yeah, it's quite a little. Basically wipe everything down, clean the wheels and tires. Sometimes we come out and hold buff on and clean up the paint.
Oh, do you really? You said something about color correcting as well. Wow. And you use your own tried and true stuff?
We don't use our own products. We use a lot of P&S detail products.
Okay.
They work pretty good. It's kind of what we've used for years. Our preference of everything.
And so what happens is as they come in here, you guys look them over real quick for some heavy fingerprinting or something?
Basically, like your visual points where you're going to see going across the block, like every body line across the top, we'll wipe that for handprints. We work on checking them out.
That's got to keep you busy too.
Yeah.
You get home, you're
Not really. We're kind of used to it.
Yeah.
We're pretty busy all the time. It's nice to get away and come out here, but we kind of do the same shop. We have cars like this and all.
Well, that must bring in some good business for you, knowing that you guys get these cars ready.
It's pretty cool. We used to deal with a lot.
All right. Well, thanks for talking to us, and you guys doing a great job.
I appreciate it.
Yep. And what's your name?
My name is Justin Cheney.
And what's your role in this?
My role is just to keep the line rolling and roll the cars at the right time when they're done. All the next car sold. And right now,
All right. Back up a little bit.
run them up to the next lot. Pretty much just listen to the auction here and watch the cars go. And when it's time to roll the cars, it's time to roll the cars.
Right, right. And they all have to drive on, though, right?
Yes. I mean, they're kind of improvised and push some up or, next to the car business, I think. They run great till it's time to run the show. And
It always is, isn't it? And I was surprised yesterday. I saw some of the cars were leaking carburetors. Had some gas leaking in there. I was like, wow, that's scary.
a lot of those cars do that.
Do they? Yeah. All right. Well, thanks. Have a good time. So this is the opposite side of the block when the cars come down, and so they have to run when they go up on the auction block, but when they come down, they don't run. They just get them down here, they roll down, and these folks here are all volunteers, and they'll push the car out the door. So let's see this car come down. So there the car comes down.
262 V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission.
Goes out the door. They're pushing it. Otherwise, if they all ran in here. So here the cars are coming, being pushed out, and then they're going to go out the door here. So one of the things they do here at the Worldwide Auctioneers Auction is they auction off these signs, memorabilia. They sure have a wide selection of signs. It's crazy. Person here trying to outfit their garage could really have a heyday and buy a bunch of stuff here. Check this one out right there. It's pretty cool. There's some signs here that I've never seen before. Of course, everybody's seen the Texaco. Look at this one here, the big Indianapolis Speedway. That'd be pretty nice. It's a good one. Even a AC spark plug display. That's kind of cool. Probably was in someone's garage a long time ago. Pretty neat. Come over here, some really good ones. Some nice ones. Another Texaco. Look how big this one is. Huge sign. I wonder what that's going to cost. Quite a bit. Turn around here. They're filming. Come this way. Ford V8 sign. Okay, used cars. I can remember that being at a dealership. That's pretty neat. Look at the Sinclair sign right there. We got just think if you had one of these pace cars, that would be the sign to have in your garage right there. Of course, you could even get a McDonald's. Sign. Pretty cool. Look at this display right here. Showing that little display. Pretty neat. Big Pontiac. Let's come over here and look at these. Fight your way through the crowd here a little bit. That's kind of neat, but I don't think I think that might be something new. I don't think that's really old. Some more neat signs. Very unique signs up there. A lot of memorabilia here for sale at the Worldwide Auction.